We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, in my last video, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy the price reverse, but there was no trade setup because we mentioned we need to see the reversal and including the correction. That's mean the trade setup. Okay, as we can see, we get this correction and the price drop. Okay, anyway, right now still we're looking for the reversal. The only question is the price can break 0.09 or not. Okay, because if we're looking at this, we consider this as a correction and we don't want to sell at the lowest price of the correction. All right, beside that, if there is a continuation with the breakout of the previous low, this is where we can look for divergence. Right now we cannot refer to the indicators to look for divergence because of this, simply because of this shadow. All right, and beside that, as I mentioned, if we get any reversal, we are more interested to look for buy. We want to see one move up. This is what we're looking for. But the only thing is, how about if this one turn to a correction? Then we can look for continuation. That's mean if we get any reversal, we need to see the continuation as a sharp move similar to what we get here. If the price reverses as a corrective move, we are not going to look for buy because this kind of the down, it can give us a confirmation for continuation. Because as we can see, even if we put this one as the lowest price for this move, the price haven't broke yet. All right, and also we can expect the price give us one move up, then this one turn to flat for one more drop because the price also couldn't break 0.09. All right. The reason is I mentioned about this, having a trade above this can is really risky. I'm not going to add this unless traders wants to have it in case the price reverse from here with a sharp move. Then at least they know how to manage it because if the price tag and drop, we can get the flat. As we mentioned, the price haven't broke the previous low and even this one. Okay, that's mean if you want to look for sell, the best things is either this one turn to a deeper move before, then from there we look for reversal, or even if the price reverse from here, we will take the trade. But mostly we want to see the reversal. If we get the reversal, we can look for buy based on what we have right now, unless we see the changes. Then if I see any changes, I will give update. And even if we move to daily chart, we mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time before we get the reversal for long term. That's why any trade setup based on 1 hour chart we consider as a short term trade. No, the only question is about how we can put this one in our analysis. Anyway, we move to forward chart and this is what we're looking for. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop and continue and even retest the previous low. It can. But from what we have right now, we are more interested to look for reversal. The only times we can look for sell if this one turns to a deeper correction, as I explained based on 1 hour chart. That we don't have any, I mean, right now, we don't have any in trade setup or correction for sell. Even if the price drop from here, we cannot sell because we don't have any trade setup, any reason to look for sell. Anyway, we will be more interested if we get the reversal. The only thing is I will wait for me. If I get any reversal for buy, then I will take the trade. Rather than that, I just let it go. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.